drink to jelly. And it can have that metro. Ooh. That's what the language say, go on, metro. Say, go on, veteran. And we name Rubber Dub Thursday. Run! Oh, all the people there. What you know? Hey, look. Now me on my way. I go to OG. We stop a roadside and I drink 2 jelly. And it can have that me buck a young lady. She said to Peter, make sure you fit. DJ for me say, why yo? I tell you. Hold on. Why everybody are singing? Me say, why yo? Data yo. Say G-O. Data go. Say Eno. Data no. Say S-O. Data so. L-E-T-R-O. Say data metro. V-I-D-E-O. Say data video. S-Q-Q-Q-Q-O. Say I don't know. This are the manga boy when you beat a metro. Now me on my way. I come from Mobay. Jamani drive down Buster Matty highway. Me go back to a race fighting. Never fair. She said to Peter, Metro give me lyrics in her ear. Jamaica in a Spanish tata. Jamaica, if you're calling a girl, I said a Rita. Say school in a Spanish, a escuela. Blackboard in a Spanish, a la pizarra. Your house in a Spanish tata. La casa, window in a Spanish tata. Ventana, your head in a Spanish tata. Cabeza, your mouth in a Spanish tata. La boca, what drop off like you drop on shoulder. The partner go put if you know, I'm the fire. The bus not go run if you know, I'm the... Hey! I say people, are you ready? Pull it through. If you don't love me at work, say, go on, Metro. All you mean, look. Wonder, people, imagine 200 odd people dead in a motor vehicle accident. And the year just started. The youth were being bounty killer named Boom down the mine. Just crash and dead with it.
R.I.P.
Walk one in a Jamaica. All the motorists them are going so. Yeah, hear me? Look, watch it. Hit me. Accident, boy. Accident, a motor vehicle accident, lad. Accident, boy. Accident, a motor vehicle accident. I go and take a 91 figure do in the park. Make sure tell it drive and not drive so fast. Capita Metro Rohgees where you get cheap off stuff. Expensive, people life not cheap like a black driver. Before you select drive, before you move up. Check out the tire cause them look kinda soft. Check out them plug and make sure them a spark. Patrolling at the road with people broke your crank. As if I reach 4 miles, the front wheel fly off. Lick up in a truck and the starter bust off. A poor lady she get injured in her heart. A man in the front seat 2 foot chop off. The driver take off and him 2 foot so fast. The speed him take off him 2 boot he fly off. He never stop run till he reach a Glen Car. Some policeman hold him and beat us him. Boom! You never know you must drive so far. Boom! When your license the man say that. Boom! Show me your license boy don't tell me. Boom! I'm going to say never go prison to me. You get 3 meals a day. No rent to pay. No kids to mind. No wife to obey. When 2 car crash, a car accident. When 2 bus crash, a bus accident. When 2 truck crash, a truck accident. When 2 go crash, that a coincidence. Accident, accident. Look. Listen to me, people, listen, everybody. Me no boom that. Look. Me say listen to me, people, listen, everybody. Me no boom that the mic from 1990. When me a go and see you, I am running to see. Never no bounty killer, never me up me. Me say me sorry, say I him. Me glad say you know me. More boom than the mic gone a cemetery. A man in the car named Willful Skill. A man in the car named Willful Skillful. I even drive the car named Willful Skillful. He never willful, he never skillful. That if him skillful, he would drive careful. That's why the car crash. Pull up there. If we love out their work, could have said, go on, Metro. And we say Rubber Dub Thursday. Pull up. Some boy come boy already and mash up reggae music. I talk about down in a girl throat. And I talk about scamming. I sing peer murder music. And we cover the platform for maintain the legacy of reggae music. Reggae music not dead. Roots and culture around the world. All of the people will love roots and culture. Give me a lion pass. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Run that. Jamaica, man. I'm from Jamaica. Hey, watch out, man. Who remember this one? I say, all over to be Jamaican, Minnesota. Hey, what up, put on? All over to be Jamaican, put up, put on. Over here, so put up, put on. Put up your one because you love your man. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, where we come from. All love sweet Jamaica, no put up on. That is the moon now. Because I 7 hero fight to free Jamaica. And out of that 7, but was that woman, they got 7 heroes of Jamaica. Paul Bogle, Daddy Shaw, and Daddy Buster, Daddy Mandy, William God, Marcos Mosiah, and Sister Nanny, she was a maroon leader. Don't let's up on them, one after the other. William God, the white, he was a freedom fighter. Paul Bogle, the black, him a rebellion leader. But he was strict, and then captured, and then them hang a couple days later. Yo, take a look at Marcos Mosiah, born 1887, son of a papa, due to his love for black and his brain power. He was on his way to free Africa when he was captured by some English soldier. Then even destroyed Black Star Liner and sent back in ashes to Jamaica. Now that the man Lee, that was the man T, they all came from the same family. I think get independence in our country. And then choose it and then that family was the first premier of our country. The first prime minister was Buster T. Millissimo Bay on the second city. The dollars and cents from the pound and penny. The highest mountain of Blue Mountain Peak. 7,402 feet. And when they reach the top, the Cuban land. I'm going to tell you about Jamaican Island. In a 1494, Columbus discovered the land. In a 1655, them took us to England. In a 1692, earthquake destroyed the land. In a 1773, whole Utchester the land. In a 1838, we get our freedom. In a 1865, a Morambian rebellion. In a 1887, Marcus Wallace sent on. 1893, the birth of Norman Washington. In a 1938, riot on the land. In a 1944, on the first election. In a 1952, the Queen coronation. In a 1988, the bird mash up the land. 2004 is Hurricane Ivan. 2008, we trap on this bomb. Usain Bolt and Fraser Shelley on. Mash up the put up your one because, hey, look. What do you hear about Peter Metro? When you think of them little idiot, Quark DJ. Eh? Yo! Unless we are going to Jamaica, look! The government has tried pushing cryptocurrency power, digital money. All the little people in my market are going to survive. When you come, some people can't read good, they are pushing digital currency. Eh? All the man who watch Kiara are going to survive. And imagine, the teacher them said them want 20% increase. And the government said them can't give them it. And yet still, the government them take 300% on them pay. Oh God, man. Oh God, man. Oh God, man. So you can get $60,000 for your pay a month. And 300% of that, you know how much that? And 18 million that you get every month. Oh God, man. You know why? Watch out. When you see corruption, when you burn out corruption, when you see corruption, when you talk about corruption, when you see corruption, when you burn out, what is it? What is it? He said, when you see corruption, when you burn out corruption, when you see corruption, when you talk about corruption, when you see corruption, when you burn out corruption, come Jamaica people that burn corruption because corrupted soldiers, corrupted police, corrupted pastor upon the pulpit to preach, corrupted teachers in a class. We say corrupted soldier, corrupted police, corrupted pastor on the pulpit a preach, corrupted teachers in a classroom a teach, corrupted politician a secure him seat, while corrupted gunman them roam in the street. Corruption pull up like a garbage heap. In the bed of corruption, Peter Metro not sleep. Corruption take over the whole island. That's why me have to build this here corruption song. Corruption done the money, me say a petro job. One birthday cake is all 100 grand. Corruption in the bank institution. The thief where you steal 3 billion. Now 10 million church. If that is not wrong, you don't hear nothing coming from it. Oh, when you say corruption. If we don't know what their words say, go on, Metro. Pull up, Lady. Give me the country. I'm in Peter Metro. Big up everybody with there. The whole I want to grow up on a Peter Metro, yeah. All out there I want to grow up on a song, yeah. Give me the country, boy, everybody sing it with me. It name to you. Run that. Big up everybody, you know. Yo. Jonah Reid, big up yourself. Up the answer. Jonah. Wonderful. Boy, everybody sing it. Everybody. What do you say? Glory, glory, hallelujah. This one the veteran when you mention Peter. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Take it down low, put go sing it little louder. Glory, glory, hallelujah. This are the DJ with them can Metro Peter to you. I said this one dedicated to you. 11 and 11 data. 21 and 21 data. 41 and 41 data. The cloudy to white and the sky. You find the mad people, them out of bell. They go to airport, you have to pass harbor. So, who are you the people that are singing to them? You don't sing it. Who do you want here? 11 and 11 data. 21 and 21 data. 41 and 41 data. The cloudy to white and the sky it. You find the mad people, them out of bell. So many are called, but the chosen are. Them say you must fight where you know you can. Say this a Peter Metro nicing up the venue. Half the world time you find Chisholm Avenue. Who do tell Aisha no trouble me slow? She trouble me slow and she no stop get bow. Say this and that they Metro me have to cut out. We see glory, glory, and this look. We are going to the House of Parliament. We are going to the House of Parliament. And the last one this. Keep it low. We are going to the House of Parliament. What do you hear about what it? Look. In front of Bruce going on ganja pipe on. Portia come in and Portia want to smoke some. Yeah, Bruce to Sister P, me nah give none. Yeah, Sister P to Bruce, don't draw me tongue. Here come this minister, them call Hardly Shaw. Put on him briefcase and him say, Bruce, me want to draw. This don't sting your heart, forgive me lockjaw. If we don't deal with it, the people them going yam raw. One like the chalice, no Peter Phillips. She my whole time bubble jet from in 1976. One bless the chalice, PG Pattison. What a man love pretty shirt him coming like Michael Jackson. Who them send go buy weed, Bobsy Grange. She buy a quarter pound and Bobsy sink off the change. Here Bruce to Bobsy, run back the change. Me want the change to buy gas to put in a me range. Here come the front teeth, gold teeth and gargan. No Mr. Siaga with a bag in hand. Walk in a parliament and I sing Sugar Minot song. Coming from the country with a bag of money. And in a bag of so them send for your pastor man to bless the chalwa. Them send for the pastor man, them call Almila. But them catch him on the highway with them call Mandela. Them catch him with coke, value $5 million. When they talk about coke, me mean Dodos Christopher. The same done with him extradited to America. So them tell Almila Ghana, bringing him lights of gun. Him saying gun lost up a New Kingston. Say, oh, your gun lost. Him did a big plum. I'm busting him where they way I owe. It's a fever. Yes, it's a fever. Yes, it's a fever. Oh, God. Peter, let's check a fever. I'm trying to tell you what we sing. Glory, glory, hallelujah. This is everybody that watch. Now keep me virgin with them call banana. Now keep me virgin, make them poor ganja. Knock it again and make weed on. Knock it rasta, you know your chicken back. Knock it again, cause you know your pork fat. This are the dreadlocks where them call banana. Rohgees band the mic and him a chat.
I don't want liquor slip and knock me out and make me doze. The bird knows that 3, 4, 5, 6 chalice load of right. Don't hear me clean and me a touch from the road. Me don't need no cologne, can't just stick on me clothes. Some boy a jump on slippers, they bone a liquor ziggy. My Rohgees could never get chalice to those. Sweet ganja smoke on me forward. And on your telly I them from a plantation over me say glory, glory,
Hallelujah. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure being here tonight. If I love Peter Metro, give me a lion power. Lion power, watch them. Watch them, them bad like me.
enough respect and love to
Thank you, Reid. This is the final song. Reaching out to all the lovers here tonight. Oh yeah, come on. When the night has come, and the land is dark, come on. And the moon is the only light we'll see. Oh, baby. Hey! I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long